everybody, and welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm bringing you guys the coupon preview of what we'll be getting this Sunday, August 5th. Now please keep in mind everybody gets different inserts than what other people get. I will pretty much maybe get a couple of these, but not all of them. But I'm here to share with you guys coupons that you definitely want to look into and check. But one thing is, I see a lot of people say, hey, I bought inserts and I didn't get this. You might be new, but one thing I do want to say is kind of keep track of what you do and do not get, because most likely if you guys don't get them this time and then you see that deal or those coupons again, you probably won't get them next time. So I kind of have an idea what I do and do not get, and then I sometimes order coupons. If you guys are interested where I order my inserts, just look up where do I get my coupons, DesignerJen, and you'll see it. So just giving you guys a heads up. But looks like we're going to be getting 1 Smart Source and 3 Retail Me Nots, or if I say Red Plum. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. But we're getting $1 off of the Arm & Hammer. $1 off, $1 off. So those could be some pretty decent coupons. We got Bertolli's. Now I did find this on the shoppersapprentice.com. I've never been to this site before, but I still wanted to share with you guys, you know, inserts. So we're also getting some Betty Crocker, 50 cents off of 2. Now these Bic, they don't expire to the end of August. So we got $1 off, $1 off, $1 off, 2 off of, okay. So we got pens and razors. So there's going to be 2 different deals for you guys. So that'd be a pretty good deal. We got Colgate, 50 cents off of 1, Del Monte, Dole, Duracell. Halo Top Ice Cream, $1.50. I'm hoping to see some good deals with Halo Top. We got Infusium, $2 off of 1. LA Looks, 75 cents off of 1. Now I do know there is they sell LA Looks at Dollar Tree, so I don't know if you can use that coupon there. Depends on the size. We got Nature Valley, so I don't want to cut this off for you guys. Nivea, $1 off of 1, $1 off of 1, 3 off of 2. Nivea Men, 2 off of 1 and 2 off of 2 Shave. Ollie, which is gummies, vitamin gummies. We got Pert, I don't even know what that is. Fazam. Philips Sonicare. Rave, 50 cents off of 1. Resolve Carpet, 50 cents off, 75 cents off of 1. Spam, $1 off of 2. Spray Wash, Totino's Pizza, $1 off of 1. And then Valley Fresh and Yoplait. So that is what is going to be in the Smart Source. Here is Retail Me Not number 1. We're getting 75 cents off of Aquafresh, $1 off of 1 Aquafresh. Aussie, 2 off of 2. Dial, $1 off of 2. Got to be $1 off of 1. Herbal Essence, 2 off of 2 and 3 off of 2. Milk-Bone, $1 off of 1. Nestle, Olay, buy 1 wipes. Generous, get 1 facial cleaner. Okay. Pearls, which is olives. Purex Crystals, $1 off of 1 or $1 off of 1. That's a good coupon. I'm hoping, you know, we can use some of those coupons. Renews-Its, we're getting buy 4, get 2 free. Right Guard, $1 off of 1, $1 off of 1. Skinny Pops, and then Up 4, which I'm assuming is a probiotic vitamin. Here's Retail Me Not number 2. We're getting Crest, Garnier Fructis, $4 off of 2. Garnier Nutrice, 2 off of 1. Then the Garnier Skin Active, ooh, 50 cents off of the sheet mask. That'd be good, pretty good coupon. Whole Blends, 4 off of 2. I'm pretty excited about that coupon. I don't think there's going to be any good deals at Walgreens, but you never know. You never know, and you never know what you can find. L'Oreal, we got $1.50 off of 1, $1 off of 1, $1 off of 1. Lots of L'Oreal coupons. 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Maybelline, 2 off of 1, 2 off of 1, and 2 off of 1. So there's some good coupons for that. That whole entire Retail Me Not, I will not get. I know for sure my inserts, I do not get that. So just giving you guys a heads up, I know what I do not and do get. So do not get any of those. Here we got Retail Me Not number 3, which this is the Unilever. We got Axe, $1 off of 1, $1 off of 1. Body Spray, buy 1 body spray, get a body wash free. I'm hoping there's some good deals with that coupon right there. Caress, Country Crock, Dove, 2 off of 2. Dermacare Dove, 2 off of 1. Men's Care, $1.50 off of 1, $1 off, $1 off, $1 off. Here's some Love and Beauty. Now I do know there's some deals usually going on in the apps. So we got $1.50 off of 1, or there's a 4 off of 2. Quaker, $1 off of 2 overnight oats. Quilted Northern, 50 cents off of 1. We got 7th Generation. Simple St. Ives Pond's Noxzema, 3 off of 2. That could be an okay coupon. Tresemme, $1 off of 1, 2 off of 1, and 5 off of 2. So those are what is going to be in the coupons this Sunday. So if you guys are interested in any of those, I think it's a good week to get coupons, you guys. Especially with some of those. So especially the Garnier and the whole ones, I'm really hoping there's some good deals with those coupons. But just wanted to share with you guys. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks. Bye-bye.